Philippines organization, and of course, Ever Balena, a collaboration that brings together the country's premier beauty pageant platform and one of the Philippines' most trusted beauty brands. Alright, so this partnership symbolizes more than just beauty. It represents empowerment, confidence, and the celebration of Filipino excellence on both national and global stages. Thank you all for joining us today as we witness this exciting milestone. Alright? This time around, before we proceed with the program, let us acknowledge the distinguished guests and partners who are with us today. We will begin, of course, from Ever Balena. We have Mr. Don Wei C, Business Development Manager. Hi, sir. Good morning. We also have with us founder and CEO of Ever Balena Cosmetics Inc. We have Mr. Joseldo C. Now representing the Miss Universe Philippines organization, we have Executive Vice President Mr. Voltaire Tayag. And we have our President and CEO, Mr. Jonas Yapur. Of course, as I remember, we'd also like to acknowledge the presence of our media friends. Hi, media friends. Thanks so much for being here. Of course, our delegates and special guests. So thank you for being here to witness this momentous partnership. So to formally welcome this partnership, may we call on Mr. Joseldo C, or CEO of Ever Balena Cosmetics, to share a few words. Go ahead, sir.
Hello, good morning everyone. I'm so happy to see the 50 people, candidates of Miss Universe in front of us. I hope you welcome Ever Balena as your piece of cosmetics to Miss Universe this year. I'm looking forward to see you girls more, and I think this is the first collaboration of Ever Balena as a cosmetic brand with Miss Universe. We used to have a long run the past few years, and really I'm excited to see. I think it's one of the most beautiful batches I've seen. I'm sure my team here will provide you with all the makeups that you need. I always say that makeup is like painting. So if you girls have nothing on your skin, maganda na kayo. But iba pa rin yung makeup. It add more color, light, and spices of life. So thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. DLC, of course, our CEO. And now the moment we all have been waiting for, let us witness the official signing of this partnership. Alright, so this partnership between Miss Universe Philippines organization and Ever Balena celebrates the shared vision of empowering Filipinos through beauty, confidence, and self-expressions. So as one of the Philippines' pioneering and most trusted cosmetic brands, Ever Balena has long been a champion of accessible beauty, inspiring women across generations to embrace their individuality and confidence. I love that. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, the partnership between Miss Universe Philippines and Ever Balena is now officially sealed. Alright, so let's have a photo. There you go. Thank you so much. Now let's hear it. To share a message about this exciting collaboration, may we call now the representative of Miss Universe Philippines. Of course, we have our Executive Vice President, Mr. Voltaire Tayag.
Hello, good morning everybody. Good morning. You know, well actually, hello to the top 20 media. Si Albert nandun ba? You know, last night, because of the limited States, there were so many media that all wanted to go. Because for the past few years, we love Hello Globe. But every year, we keep asking, until na ever Belena? But we're so happy that finally this year it happened. Because, as we always say, we always want to be aligned with the best and the number one. And Ever Belena is the number one leading cosmetics company in the Philippines. But I think on a personal note, what I also love about Ever Belena is, it's run by a family. It's about a family of love that's passionate about what they do and about the products they promote. And they've always taken care of the Miss Universe Philippines delegates and the organization throughout all these years. So, to have the main company, Ever Belena, to be part of the Miss Universe Philippines family now officially is something that we're very honored. And I'm also excited because you were saying earlier that you will be inviting us and all the delegates at your beautiful property in Arcasal. Can I say? It's the biggest penthouse in the Philippines. And I think you'll definitely be invited. So thank you so much to everyone, and we're looking forward to many more years with Ever Belena, forever. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Walter Tangan. Alright, this time around, we will open the floor for the media Q&A session. So, go ahead, please introduce yourself. Of course, organization that you guys are coming from or representing, and then your question.
Hi, good morning everyone. I'm Ken from Philarca IG, TikTok at Ibaligay. My question is to Sir Deo. How has the partnership between MUPH and Ever Belena evolved over time, and what key factors have contributed to its success?
As you know, Ever Belena is the number one global makeup company in the country, makeup brand. So I'm a big follower of the beauty contest. And from the time I started, in fact, Miss Melanie Marquez was our first international beauty endorser. So coming from that endorsement, we always collaborate with all the top beauty contests. And of course now it's past 4 or 5 years, it's Miss Universe already, the top beauty contest here in our country. So definitely, because I think in the past few years we were not allowed to be the main, sorry, because hello. Actually, in my heart, I really want Ever Belena to be part from the start. So anyway, finally, this year is the first year that we officially come in as an official makeup brand. And already I told them that I want to come out with the Ever Belena X Hello Glow. So that means we will have makeup products with skincare infusions. So that will make our Filipino beauty contestant like you, and hopefully the whole Filipino women will also patronize it. Thank you.
Good afternoon. Andrew Francisco Paja Singapore. My question is for Ms. B. Sir Walter, how will this partnership promote how will this partnership strengthen your shared commitment to empowering Philippines?
Hello, Max. Well, Ever Belena and Miss Universe Philippines has such an organic alignment. They represent beauty, they're number one, they're the leaders in their field. In the same way as Miss Universe Philippines. And it continues to empower women because with the support of companies like Everbilena, partnering with Miss Universe Philippines, we showcase the best and the number one that the Filipina can be. And you guys are the perfect representatives of that. And you are always an extension of the companies that is represented in Miss Universe Philippines and their sponsors. And I think by doing that, they have to keep up and project their best.
Alright, thank you for that. And for example, Sir B, I believe, we're now going to close the floor for the media Q&A. So this time around, we're going to have our official photo opportunity. This time around, ladies, here's our first row. Please stand up and some photos, of course, with our VIPs.
Universe. Gusto mo? Ito ang salita na lang. Para sa mga ano. Nililabas niya parang si ano. Ganda rin ko tapatan today. Kamigis, maganda pero medyo haggard konti. Ganda ni Roxy as usual. Grabe. I love Roxy.
Alright, hold it, ladies. As you receive your gift, of course, from Everbilena.
I super love the bag to Everbilena.
So, there you go.
Pagkita niyo ng Boracay, parang hindi nalunod.
I love it. It's so cute.
Ang ganda nga. Nice.
Kaya minsan masarap kaibigan ng mga Everbilena. Kasi mas Denise. Love it. Alright, ladies, photos. Alright. Alright, thank you so much, ladies. Okay, this time around, we're going to have a video. Everbilena for Miss Universe Philippines. Ready? And go. Thank you, ladies. Sir B also participated. I love that. I know. There you go. Second batch, please. Please. Let's go, second batch. I think you have to hide muna the bags sa baba. So that we have a photo without the bags. There you go. Alright.
Ganda nila po na to ni Promise. Grabe oh. Serving on face.
Excellent.
Brats.
Excellent.
Ito yung inulit sa sige, pagkakaroon mo eh. Mga papatuloy. 1, 2, balik ka ba? 3. Okay, we're back. Ay, in fairness kay Jackie.
Alright, so show those bags.
Fresh now.
show those bags. Alright, this time around, let's do the video Ever Belena for Miss Universe Philippines. Ready? And go.
Ever Belena for Miss Universe Philippines.
Thank you so much, ladies. Let's go last batch. Alright, so let's try to hide the bags.
Wala bang fashion show kayo? Ha? Yung fashion show, kaya yung wala. Nakita sa personality namin ng isang grabe, in fairness to her. Kasing pet-pet.
Let's do slide. Alright, let's go. Alright, thank you so much. This time around with the bags. Show those bags. Video, let's sing. Let's go. Ever Belena for Miss Universe Philippines. And go.
Ever Belena for Miss Universe Philippines.
Alright, thank you so much once again to our VIPs, Sir Walter, Sir Jonas, Sir Dayan, Sir Don Wayne. Thank you so much for your time. Of course, our delegates.